Welcome to Curating Consistency, and I'm your host, Coach KB. And I am so excited you're here because here we help women build financial momentum. And it's based off of the things that your budget sheet or your balance sheet can't really give you. It's about your discipline, your time, your mindset, and how you're choosing to show up in all of these areas. I am so glad that you have found this channel because I don't believe this is by accident. But I have a question for you. Can you picture her? Can you picture that woman who is in control of her decisions, her actions, her finances, and even how she is showing up? If you can, then this channel is for you. So this space was created to just share real strategies for those who are ready to put in the work. If you are ready to exit the courtroom of your mind and really lean into who you are called to be, then be sure to subscribe because here we believe that productive days lead to prosperous ways. Looking forward to seeing you in the next episode.